First, go to File, choose New, create a new document, then choose Pen tool. With holding Shift, draw a line, make a new layer, then right-click and choose Stroke Path, choose Brush, make a copy with Ctrl-J, then press Ctrl-T, right-click, select Flip Horizontal, then type your name, press Ctrl-T and set your name. With holding Shift, select two layers, press Ctrl-E, click on Mask. With Brush tool, erase part of the lines that you want. Hide the background layer, click on Text layer, select Adjustment layer, invert. Press Ctrl-A, go to Edit, choose Define Pattern. Select your image, go to Adjustment layer, select Pattern, set the scale of your pattern, and decrease the opacity. I hope you enjoyed this video.